Children, today we will see safety on the playground and safety on the road. Play carefully. Adults should always be present when the children are playing. There should be soft surfacing underneath the playground equipment. Tell an adult if playground equipment is broken and do not play with that until it is fixed. Sit down while you swing. Slow down before you get off a swing. Do not walk near someone who is swinging. You could get hit if you walk closely. Use both the hands when you climb. Only climb on dry equipment. You could fall if it is wet. Like that only, while we are crossing a road, we should be very careful and follow some rules to be safe. Never play on roads. While walking along a busy road, always use footpath or sidewalks. When walking on road without sidewalks, always walk on the side of the road as close to the edges as possible. Do not walk alone at night. Wear bright or reflective clothing for night or evening walks. Always cross an intersection or a crosswalk at a green light from the zebra crossing. Even when you are crossing an intersection at a green light, it is still important to walk always and watching for turning cars. Stay away from and never go into a car while with a stranger. Avoid paths through wooded areas, loose gravel, and busy roads. And stay away from school buses and other buses. If you hear a siren, it is best to move away from the roads as far as possible. Stop and wait until the emergency vehicle has passed before you. Then only you cross the road. Never walk along or on railroad tracks or bridges. Now we will see what is first aid. First aid is the initial care given to an injured person. It must start immediately when the injury or illness occurs and continue until medical help arrives or the casualty recovers. The basic aim of the first aids are to save the life, to protect the casualty from getting more harm, and reduce pain. And one more thing, always remember while providing first aid to someone, remember that do not crowd around the person who is injured. If someone is badly hurt, call the doctor immediately, and in case of bleeding, make the person sit or lie down, keeping the wounded part high. Clean the wound and tie a handkerchief or bandage tightly over it. Children, you will remember these points and learn it and underline it. Thank you, children. Have a nice day.